The Aveek Wireless Microphone for Karaoke delivers clear, full sound with cardioid pickup that keeps background noise under control, making it well-suited for singing and spoken word. Its plug-and-play receiver connects directly to most home speakers, public address systems, and mixers through standard microphone jacks, so setup is quick even for beginners. The built-in rechargeable receiver battery lasts through long parties or events, reducing the need for disposable batteries and cutting down on mid-show interruptions. Each handheld microphone offers several selectable channels and separate volume controls, which helps avoid interference and lets different performers balance their levels easily. The system maintains a reliable signal over a generous working distance, allowing hosts, singers, and presenters to move freely around rooms, small stages, or outdoor spaces. The package includes 2 microphones plus useful accessories like anti-slip rings, sleeves, and a charging cable, giving small venues and home users a complete starter kit in one box.